In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this gear icon at the top of it to hit voice typing option. Now click on gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. And when you're ready, go back to your keyboard. Now tap on this microphone icon and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or tap on the same microphone. You can also tap on tiny icon right next to your microphone when voice typing is on, and use it from this toolbar. Thanks to this button with an X, you can delete text on the go. Thanks to those three lines on the left, you can manage all of those options. And if you want to move your toolbar, you can hold it and drag it. When you're finished, click on this icon of a keyboard to go back to standard one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!